I have 10,000 people subscribed to my newsletter, and every year we have a vote on the most popular 5 technologies. The technology I'm going to show you today has been voted number 1 8 out of the last 10 years. I've been running this survey for 10 years now and often get 2,000 or 3,000 teachers voting on their favorite technology. This particular technology is useful to any teacher. And what makes it special and what the comments always say is just how many different things you can do with this one technology. You can create videos, you can use it to generate images and to copy images. You can use it to grab text. You can use it to create infographics. It's so useful for teachers, and I use this technology absolutely every day of my working life. I'm going to take you through this technology and show you 5 of examples of why it's so useful to all teachers. Okay, really hope you like the video, and if you do, please like it, please share it, please comment on it, and of course please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the technology we're looking at is Snagit 2023, and this first example that I'm going to show you is going to be just perfect for teachers, and you're going to see the power and how useful this technology is for making, for example, worksheets and activities. Watch this. I'm going to click on Capture, and it opens up this kind of tool that allows me, if I click on image, to image capture anything. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to a website that I've got here. I'm going to open up that image capture tool onto the screen, and now what I'm going to do is simply click on region, because I want to just image capture a region. Click on capture, and I'm going to just capture this area here and bring this picture into the Snagit editor. Now I don't have to do anything, I just simply mark the area and now it's open. Now what I can do now is I'm going to turn this into a worksheet. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on steps, okay, and I'm going to click now on here because this is going to be garage. So I'm going to click on here for the first one, garage, and this one will be front door, and this one will be roof, and this one will be window, and this one will be tree, and this one will be lawn, and this one will be driveway. So quickly I've just added these numbers onto the image. Now watch this, I can actually click on copy all, and now I'm going to paste that directly into a Word document. So I've got a Word document open here, and I'm going to call this learning about a house. Just doing this really simple and quick for you, and I'm going to paste in. No need to do anything else but simply just paste that image straight into my Word document. Now what I can do is just add a few sentences here below. I'm going to say complete these words or write these words. So let's just put in write these words, okay, and then I'm going to put number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and immediately I've got myself a little kind of vocabulary worksheet. This would obviously work in language teaching, for example. This is just one example. Of course I could have numbered any graphic that I wanted to. That is a sort of example of the sort of thing that you can do in seconds working with Snagit. Now if you're interested in knowing more about the image capture option, there's a great video on the screen now that will take you through more of the options that are available. Okay, I'm going to show you now a really clever second way that we can use this technology. But just before I do, if you are interested, and if you do find this video before the 18th of January 2023, look in the description below and you can sign up to a free webinar that I'm going to do about working with Snagit. I've been using Snagit since 2006. Now I want to make it clear, I don't work for the organization that creates Snagit. I'm simply doing a presentation because I'm a big fan of the technology and I do use it. So what I'm going to do now is show you a second example. Don't forget, if you want to find out about that webinar that I'm running, then it's on the 18th of January, and in the description you can sign up. Watch this, this is incredible and I use this so often. I'm going to click on text grab. Now often you want to grab text from a PDF file or from an image. And you can't do that very easily, but watch this. If I click on text grab and I click on capture, and let's imagine that we want to grab this text here, I can actually mark this image around that text, and it will actually grab that text and make it editable. Now it takes a few seconds, and there it's done it for me. And now I can copy that text just as if that text was actually, say for example, in a Word file. Now you could do this on a PDF document, you can do this on anything where it's really difficult to grab the text. This text grab is really useful. I particularly use it when I'm trying to access, for example, text in a PDF document. Now this next example is definitely my favorite. It's the one that really made me fall in love with this technology, and it's the ease with which we can make videos. So I'm going to click now on video capture, and I'm going to again choose region. I'm going to set the preview in the window so that I can quickly look at the video after I've done it. I'm going to record my cursor as well. I'm going to record my microphone, but I'm not going to record any systems audio. Systems audio means any audio that's in the website that you're showing, or in the music, or any sounds that are going to play. I'm not going to do it for this example. Now I'm going to click on the capture button. I've got this website here. I'm just going to hold my mouse down because I'm just going to open up this part of the website. And now as you can see that it's all ready. Notice I haven't got my webcam on. It's so easy to use this. I'm just going to click on this button now. This is my website, and if you come over to it, there's lots of free videos that you can access, but also if you want to, you can sign up to my newsletter and get updated with the latest videos, blogs, online courses and webinars. I've done the recording. Once I've done the recording, I can just stop, and I can just click here to do that. Notice, click on pause first. Okay, and then if I'm happy with everything, just click on stop. Now that recording is actually ready immediately. Now incredibly, I can play back that video immediately. Let me just play it to you. This is my website, and if you come over to it, there's lots of free videos. Now I could literally, without doing anything else, just click now on File and Save As, and save that video onto my computer. So I could click on Desktop, and let's call this TTV video, and simply click on Save. I've now got a video that I've made ready to share on Moodle or Blackboard or wherever I want to share that video. So if we jump over now to my desktop just to play the video. So if we come over to my desktop, there is the video. I can click on it, and this is my website, and if you come over to it, there's lots of free. That easy to make a video. Now I'm going to show you another amazing feature in Snagit, and that is how easy it is to upload this video so that you can therefore just share it via a link. This is the fastest way to share your videos, and let me show you that now. Now some of you might be interested in more complex video capture, for example working with Camtasia, and I've got a video on Camtasia, and I'll leave it linked to it on the screen now if you want to watch that video instead. But I'm going to show you now some more features when saving video in Snagit. So I still have the original video that I made, the screen capture, even though we obviously made a copy to save on my desktop. You can actually create from this original video multiple videos. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on Share Link. What this is going to do is it's going to upload the video into what's called screencast.com. That's a place to save your videos, rather like YouTube, and it's going to give me the link so that my students can then just access this video from the link. Watch this. So I can click on this button here first of all, which is Share Link, and now that video is being uploaded immediately into. And notice it already tells me, look, the video is uploaded to Screencast. I'm going to click on Get Link. Now, I can now share this video with the students, and I'm going to show you now what the students would see if they clicked on the link. So remember, I clicked on Share Link, so I'm just going to paste that link in, and then I'm going to press Enter, and you'll see that the video, there it is on the screen. I just share that link, and the students can play this video. Now, this is something else that I want to show you about this. This is my website, and if you come over to it, there's lots of free videos. Students can also comment. So you could come over, the students could listen to the video, and then over on the right hand side here, they could comment on it and say, yeah, this is a great video. Thank you. Okay, and then submit that. This feature here on the right hand side, I love this feature, this ability not only to be able to super quickly upload the video into the screencast website, or it's a video repository, then share the link with your students, but then your students can also comment on the video as well. Okay, I really hope you liked that video. As I just mentioned, if you find the video before the 18th of January 2023, look in the description and you'll see that there is the option of signing up to a webinar that I'm going to be giving, where I'm going to be going through in detail many more things that we can do with Snagit. As I've said, in the last 10 years, 8 times out of 10 voted the most useful technology for teachers. Don't forget to come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. You can find out about my courses on the front page. Don't forget you can sign up to the newsletter, and if you sign up to the newsletter, you get updated on all the latest videos, blogs, webinars and courses, and of course you'll get that 14-part free course in using technology. And finally, at the bottom of the page, you can also read my blog. Thank you very much. I'm going to leave a few more videos on the screen now that look at Snagit in more detail.